My dear friends, when it comes to breast cancer, every woman is afraid. Breast cancer word itself is quite frightening. But trust me, if you diagnose breast cancer early enough and take the right actions, you can live long, you can even have a good quality of life, and you can prevent relapse. I am Dr. Smita Naram, expert of Siddha Veda, ancient way of healing, and today I will share with you real things about breast cancer. First of all, it's very important that every woman should diagnose this breast cancer early enough. So after age of 40, have a habit of self-diagnosing or self-examining yourself using this screen that I have just shown you to check if there is inverted nipple, or there are any lumps, or there are irregular surfaces on the breast, or inflammations felt around the nipple or anywhere around the breast area, or if there is any bloody discharge. These are the signs of possibility of having breast cancer. If any of this is there, don't wait for a single day. Do mammography and go to the doctor. If recommended, do the biopsy to check if it is benign or cancerous. Normally benign tumors are completely harmless, and even if they stay in the body, it's okay. It doesn't really convert into cancer according to hundreds of statistical surveys published. But if there is cancer, you can do the early treatments so that it doesn't spread anywhere in the body, and you can also do something using natural diet, lifestyle to have a good quality of life and prevent it from coming back. Let me share with you a real story of a magistrate from Switzerland who came to see us in 1995 in Rome. That time me and Dr. Pankaj Naram were working together in Rome, and this Swiss person came with a history of having 2 times breast cancer, operated, treated with radiation, and came back again. So this was 3rd time it came back again, and it was just a very small, something like 2 centimeter size, very small one. And she just came to see us because she didn't have any more faith in that conventional way of healing. So we started the treatment with the herbal formulas, a specific diet, specific juices, kitchen remedies, and I also recommended her to come to India to do a detox once in 1.5 to 2 years for whole of this life. You will not believe me, in about 2 years, because it was a small size, it went away. She followed the diet of no sugar, no gluten, no red meat at all, and no fermented food like tomatoes, lemon, vinegar, alcohol, yogurt, nothing fermented she was taking. Along with that, she religiously followed juices every day, 3 times a day. These juices contain broccoli, cabbage, beetroot, carrot, and pomegranate or apple, whatever she can find. I also recommended fresh turmeric to add in that. She juiced it herself. Wherever she went, she took the juicer and juiced it, drank that juice 3 times a day for 25 years. She also took Pratishakti, Metaboost, and she also took Fibron formula, which in combination is helping with immune controlling. So it strengthens your immune system so that your own immune system can make you stronger to control the relapse. And Fibron and Metaboost would help with the reduction of the tumors. and it was a very small size, so it went away. But also we've got a lot of people who came while doing chemotherapy, had a huge size, they did the surgery and they were doing chemo and started with Ayurveda along with the chemo, which helped them to prevent the impact on the bone marrow and the immune system and their energy. It improved their quality of life while they were doing chemo. And after chemo was finished, we started on this program, and all of these people live longer for 15-20 years without getting the relapse again. So that's what is possible through Ayurveda. There is a hope and there is a possibility.